somewhere last year, enya Abronye DC etena ne platform so. Ekekan sem etia Randy Abbey. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama echusu no se onye cocoa board for penny. Na waleji ye say Randy Abbey involved in corruption. Randy Abbey she cocoa board for sika. Na wakwa kofa ne kunya ena trese wodenam ede cocoa farms keka nsemwa. Ona Randy Abbey say dabi Abronye twantro afa ne ho. Na one penny ema Abronye intwa santro nti ode ne be court ena Randy Abbey de ne court. Now, this is one of the quickest court cases, especially with defamation, because sometimes defamation takes a long time, and sana, especially in Ghana, and sana yedi asem no. But court said the ruling aba. Na me hune say MPP4 they are rejoicing because ruling no say a court in favor of Abronye. But we are going to read the court documents and then we are going to understand what the judge said. And that your first time or subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. We hear the latest news be about on sa ebeka. Na ebusian for me guswa kai obi biara wo tie me. Say ende the best place to invest your money in is in Ghana. Enya me na meka Bloomberg for stories a wo aka fa Ghana ho implication no. Fitch and it's all these credit ratings no. And some more can fa Ghana ho no. That is the implication. Book now at that screen is on your friend the Ghanaian investor. It is a practical guide that is going to show you where to put your money in Ghana. So we call Amazon, so we call book of how to invest. Ewa America, obehu books bebre. Oko share on how to invest ewa Nigeria, obehu bebre. But oko share book on how to invest ewa Ghana, a book wepe. Pebinato. Ope hard copy now betumi nyabi ewo Amazon. So ope soft copy no, which is the PDF. And I say the tree video for more I can your modern no, and now the English video na Mr. and no benyan wa WhatsApp 055-807-4986. Member subium 055-807-4986. 100 cedis pay. There is a link in the comment box. The second link. Or click here. And no, you don't have to call. You get it on your phone, downloaded on your phone. Wow, share it will YouTube no. Icons be it will screen so. When you click here na wape book no na wato. Yon consem ni mo. Mesremo me kaimo say obi biara wato any of my books bia especially on Amazon no. Please leave a review because uja review na eno na ma Amazon. I recommend it. If you are listening to me and you've bought the book, especially on Amazon, Mesrel, ja review, will book nasi. Medasi. Now, I see in the Superior Court of Judicature, in the High Court of Justice, General Jurisdiction 2, Accra, held on Monday, the 19th day of January 2026, before her ladyship, Halima El Alawa Abdul Basit, suit number GJ 1125 2025. Time 9:44 a.m. Bibia wo Dr. Ransford Anate Abbey or your plaintiff versus Kwame Bafo alias Abronye, who is the defendant. Parties no MC2 nina Abronye ne Randy Abbey nina no they didn't go. They were absent. I stand to be quoted, but basically it looks like that's what the parties mean. Parties absent. Now counsel George Kojo Adabaje HB Nikpapo Samoa Ado for plaintiff stroke respondent present into washe Randy Abbey ne lawyers are omono, and then Daniel Amate Ado with Roots Dede and more for defendants stroke applicants present, right? Into no. Anyway, as a counsel for plaintiff, my lady, it is for a ruling on the preliminary legal objection, ruling delivered in open court. So I'll say it's a ruling for the preliminary legal objection. Anyway, let's go to I'll say since the court has given an election, then we elect not to move the application. I'll say by court, in the circumstance, the court shall proceed with its ruling. Into ruling, court ni ruling no any yanking kind. I'll say plaintiff issued the instant writ of summons and statement of claim on 26th August 2025. And the crux of plaintiff's case is that the defendant made certain broadcasts or publications which are defamatory and injurious to plaintiff's hard-earned reputation. The writ of summons and statement of claim was issued by the legal department of plaintiff's institution, being Ghana Cocoa Board, with the legal director of Cocoa Board being counsel for the plaintiff. As far as the court is concerned, this suit borders on defamation, and it is right that the thought of defamation is in personam, as it is directed against a specific individual whose reputation has been harmed. Now, what's here, Judge Ninsemo Walker? Or see 26th August, and a Randy Abbey, or the case no, etia Abronye by. But what case no be a free? Randy Abbey you sue Cocoa Board because Randy Abbey or your penny or Cocoa Board. Into you sue Cocoa Board for a legal officer. Or you sue Cocoa Board for office. Or lawyer. And or the name so the case no aba. Now so case no. Eya asemo ye kaseti Randy Abbey. Eye personal. Into defamation there. Now, apparently that's what the judge is trying to say. Any coin say Randy Abbey Cocoa Yusu Cocoa Board, a lawyers, and a Cocoa Board legal office. Now, no ankasa embra on fa or no a personal lawyer. Or say, although the said publications were made against the defendant with respect to his current position as the CEO of Cocoa Board, but Cocoa Board is not a named party in this instant suit, as to warrant the legal department to issue the instant writs with the legal director of Cocoa Board being counsel for the plaintiff. It was say yes. In some way, Abronye kafa Randy Abbey huno. Randy Abbey okatiano because Randy Abbey a Cocoa Board for penny. Inti seni Abronye kaino etwi Cocoa Board. Now so case no enye Cocoa Board for ne de asemnaba case. Court ho. Randy Abbey no in person eno de asemnaba. Into any coin say Okoko Yusu Cocoa Board for legal office. Say a hon will be Yusu de Assem no Aiden Abacot. Also, the plaintiff, having sued in his personal capacity, ought to procure the service of a private legal practitioner represent him. I therefore find the instant writs of summons and statement of claim as procedurally defective, and same is dismissed. There shall be no orders as to cost. Inti judge no, the only reason a wobo case ne gu, and they say, and yes, be a Abronye can semwa around the Abbey allege no. And yes, be a Abronye control. Sorry, and yes, be a Abronye sebi Abronye in semwa wakano engu Randy Abbey hufi. Inti and yes, be a Abronye one cancer and semna for Randy Abbey ho. Abronye kan. But the only reason a judge nebo asem ne guni say Randy Abbey wan fa kwan paso. Eno de asem ne ba be pie mu wo court. Or see process no procedural no I mean the judge used or say personal capacity ought to procure the service of a private legal practitioner represent him. I therefore find the instant rate of summons and statement of claim as procedurally defective. Naturally say procedure na Randy Abbey at the bar court no wrong. Say I can't sem echu na ufili say nsem na ya ka no echu a me nkonko yusu o company no lawyers legal office emba mbesiu nipa kro no wankasa kona kope lawyers na lawyers no mbra ni mbesiu nipa kro no. This is what the judge is saying. Now, two things. For me, Yes. Maybe, I don't know the advice that went into Randy Abbey using Kokobot for lawyers. Probably because of in some Abronye Kanya, a tree no as Kokobot penny. Abronye allege say Randy Abbey ye corruption wo Kokobot inti. Probably that was the reason. But as the judge has said, no problem in it. I don't know whether case we Rebecca say afi ye shutting it down, and Randy Abbey can now file a new suit and now use the proper procedure and answer the meaning. The lawyers no betumi atra. But as it stands, no, for me, this does not show say Abronye case no ebian sema because a politics. And Crawford Baba because Abronye winning case no, which means say ebian in some okafa Randy Abbey hune ye no kware Ghana na yati. To be betumi aba can say Abronye winning case ni dia na tres and some okafa Randy Abbey hune ye no kware o. Ye see Randy Abbey bokro no ndi ye no kware because Abronye winning obi betumi akasa. But senior at the NTCC, it looks like that's not the case, right? The judge did not really say, I don't know the options available for Randy Abbey, but yawaha. Montre mo your comment box nimo. Medasi.